In this Wix website builder tutorial, let's take a look at how to get your website to show up in search engine results. And so we need to click on our website and get to our dashboard. We're going to select a website, any one of them, and then on the dashboard area, on the left-hand side, we're going to find settings, and inside of here, we need to find SEO settings. Now, the first and most important thing is that your website does need to be published so that it is public, and it also really probably needs a custom domain attached. And so, you can't just have that free Wix site domain. You really need your own custom domain attached, and then make sure your site is public and published. Then, by default, Wix does not index your site in search results. So here under Set Site Preferences and SEO Settings, you can let search engines index your site. And so we got to keep this feature on if we want to appear in search results. We would click this button right here, and then turning that on will basically mean that our site can be indexed and is eligible to be displayed in search results. And so then if we want to continue, we click Show Site. Now our site can be indexed by search engines. It may take a while to get into those search results, but that is how you turn that on so that your site is now even able to be indexed by search engines. And that's how you can get seen in Google search, Yahoo search, Bing, or any other search platform.